What is this? Who are you? Which one? So if you want to ask a question in English, you just simply put question word in the front. But how about in Chinese? Actually, you just need to think that you are making a declarative sentence, and then you replace the question word into the things that you want to ask. If you haven't learned Chinese sentence structure and word order, you can go ahead and check this video first, then come back. I'll put the link in the description area as well. It's really simple. You will get it in 3 minutes. In this video, I will teach you guys how to ask questions in Chinese, how to make interactive sentences, and how to answer it. I will also give you guys a lot of examples to explain. So before we start, let me show you guys which question words we are going to learn today. There are what, who, when, where, how many, how much, how long, which, what kind of, what sort of, why, do, does, is, are. So let's look at the first one. First, 什么, 什么. You also can say 啥. 啥 actually is northern dialect, but these days people using it more and more frequently because it does sound more casual, easier, and cuter. Let me give you guys the declarative sentence first. 这是一双鞋. This is a pair of shoes. But what if you don't know what is this and you wanna ask what is this? You just use 什么 or 啥 replace 一双鞋 a pair of shoes. 这是什么? 这是啥? 这是什么? 这是啥? See, the word order hasn't got changed, right? And the answer will be the same as the declarative sentence. 这是一双鞋. 这是一双鞋. Alright, let's look at another example. 你在吃方便面. You are eating instant noodle. 你在吃方便面. But what if you want to ask what are you eating? You just use 什么 or 啥 replace 方便面 instant noodle. 你在吃什么? 你在吃啥? 你在吃什么? 你在吃啥? The answer will be the same, but you need to use I to answer instead of you. So it will be 我在吃方便面. 我在吃方便面. I'm eating instant noodle. If you haven't learned how to say I, you, he, him, she, her, they, we, there's a video about personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, and possessive adjectives. You can go ahead and check that out. I'll also put the link in the description area. One more example. 冰箱里有牛奶. There's milk in the fridge. If you want to ask what's in the fridge, you just use 什么 or 啥 to replace 牛奶. 冰箱里有什么? 冰箱里有啥? And the answer will be the same. 冰箱里有牛奶. 冰箱里有牛奶. Second, who, 谁, 谁. And in spoken Chinese, you can say 谁, 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 or 谁. They're all correct. 你和丽丽一起去健身房. You go to the gym with Lily together. If you want to ask whom do you go to the gym with together, you just use 谁 to replace Lily. It becomes 你和谁一起去健身房? 你和谁一起去健身房? And the answer will be the same, but you still need to use I instead of you. 我和丽丽一起去健身房. 我和丽丽一起去健身房. I go to the gym with Lily together. 那是玛丽. That's Mary. You wanna ask who's that? You use 谁 to replace 玛丽. 那是谁? 那是谁? The answer will be the same. 那是玛丽. 那是玛丽. And the whose is 谁的? 谁的? 这是她的手机. This is her cell phone. If you wanna ask whose phone is this? You just use 谁的 to replace 她的. 这是谁的手机? 这是谁的手机? The answer will still be the same. 这是她的手机. 这是她的手机. Third, when, 什么时候 or 何时, 什么时候, 何时？你去年去过台湾。You went to Taiwan last year. 你去年去过台湾。If you want to ask when did you go to Taiwan, you just use 什么时候 or 何时 to replace 去年。It becomes 你什么时候去过台湾？你何时去过台湾？ And the answer you just use 我 to replace 你 and the rest will be the same. 我去年去过台湾。我去年去过台湾。I went to Taiwan last year. 你的生日是5月1号。Your birthday is May 1st. If you want to ask when is your birthday, use 什么时候 or 何时 to replace May 1st. 你的生日是什么时候？你的生日是何时？ And the answer will be 我的生日是5月1号。我的生日是5月1号。Fourth,
where,
哪里？哪里？ In spoken Chinese, you can use 哪儿？哪儿？你去图书馆 you go to library. If you want to ask where are you going, you use 哪儿？哪里 to replace 图书馆。你去哪里？你去哪儿？ And the answer will be 我去图书馆。我去图书馆。I go to library. 你明天要去野餐。You are going on a picnic tomorrow. If you want to ask where are you going tomorrow, you use 哪里 and 哪儿 to replace 野餐。你明天要去哪里？你明天要去哪儿？你明天要去哪里？你明天要去哪儿？ And the answer will be 我明天要去野餐。I'm going on a picnic tomorrow. 我明天要去野餐。Fifth, how 怎么 or 如何？怎么？如何？他骑自行车回家。She rides bicycle to go home. If you want to ask how does she go home, you just use 怎么 or 如何 to replace 骑自行车。他怎么回家？他如何回家？ The answer will be the same. 他骑自行车回家。他骑自行车回家。他卖东西赚钱。He makes money by selling things. If you want to ask how does he make money, you just use 怎么 or 如何 to replace 卖东西。他怎么赚钱？他如何赚钱？ And the answer will be the same. 他卖东西赚钱。他卖东西赚钱。Sixth, how many, how much? 多少？多少？你每天要吃3顿饭。You eat 3 meals a day. If you want to ask how many meals do you eat a day, you just use 多少 to replace 3 3. 你每天要吃多少顿饭？ And the answer will be 我每天要吃3顿饭。我每天要吃3顿饭。I eat 3 meals a day. Seventh, how long? 多久？多久？你每天开3小时车去上班。You drive 3 hours to go to work every day. If you want to ask how long do you take to drive to work, you just use 多久 to replace 3个小时 3 hours. 你每天开多久车去上班？你每天开多久车去上班？ And the answer will be 我每天开3个小时车去上班。Eighth, which 哪个？哪个？你喜欢白色的 iPhone. You like white iPhone. If you want to ask which color of iPhone do you like, you just use 哪个 to replace 白 white. 你喜欢哪个色的 iPhone? 你喜欢哪个色的 iPhone? The answer will be 我喜欢白色的 iPhone. I like white iPhone. Ninth, what kind of, what sort of, 哪类？你喜欢爵士类音乐。You like jazz type of music. If you want to ask what type of music do you like, you just use 哪类 to replace 爵士类。你喜欢哪类音乐？你喜欢哪类音乐？ The answer will be 我喜欢爵士类音乐。I like jazz type of music. 我喜欢爵士类音乐。你喜欢漂亮的女孩。You like pretty girls. If you want to ask what kind of girls do you like, you just use 哪类 to replace 漂亮的。你喜欢哪类女孩？你喜欢哪类女孩？ The answer will be 我喜欢漂亮的女孩。I like pretty girls. 10th, why? 为什么？为什么？ You also can say 为啥？为啥？ This one is kind of different from the other ones. You just use subject plus 为什么？为啥 plus the thing that you wanna ask. 你为什么节食？你为啥节食？ Why are you on diet? 他为什么不爱我？他为啥不爱我？ Why doesn't she love me? And the answer, you just use 因为 plus the reason. 因为 blah blah blah. 因为我想减肥。Because I want to lose some weight. 因为他不够帅。Because he's not handsome enough. 11th, do, does, is, are. The last one and the easiest one. This one you don't need to change anything. You just put ma at the end. For example, 你喜欢花。You like flowers. Do you like flowers? 你喜欢花吗？你喜欢花吗？她喜欢游泳。She likes swimming. 她喜欢游泳吗？你在看电视。You are watching TV. 你在看电视吗？ Are you watching TV? 她是你的姐姐。She's your sister. 她是你的姐姐吗？ Is she your sister? It's super simple, right? You don't need to change anything, but you need to kinda raise your tone at the end a little bit. 吗？她是你姐姐吗？你喜欢花吗？你在看电视吗？她喜欢游泳吗？ And these are all yes and no questions. And the answer you can always use yes, 是的 or no, 不是。她喜欢游泳吗？是的，不是。你喜欢花吗？是的，不是。Do you get it? It's super simple, right? It's okay if you can't remember all the question words all at once, as long as you got the concepts. Just watch this video for a few more times, you will remember them eventually. These are all for this video, hope they help you guys a lot. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time. 酱酱